Do you want to learn hair, makeup, skin, nails, and cosmetology? Lakme Academy, powered by Aptech, has got you covered. And the best part is that only Lakme certified trainers will train you. You get a dual certification, that is Lakme Academy certification and the Beauty and Wellness Sector Skin Council certification recognized by the Government of India.
Just in one billboard now.
They have some massive events like the Showcase,
Get down, no they can't get
the Cover Girl in association with Elle India and Femina,
me proud. So I can't slow down, no I can't go down. Got my head in the clouds.
Slamathon, and much more, where you can build a killer portfolio. You get to work on huge projects, fashion weeks, Bollywood films, and big international beauty brands. Now imagine opportunities beyond your wildest dreams. Lakme Academy, powered by Aptech, has 150 plus top-notch centers nationwide, so go check them out. Okay, here's a surprise for you. If you click the link in Lakme Academy, powered by Aptech's bio, and you sign up for the courses, you get 50% scholarship, so do not miss this opportunity. Okay?